In this video, we are going to see or look at some very basic steps for a graphing calculator, because in our course, some of us have never used a graphing calculator before. Now, for routine calculations, it works the same as any calculator. For instance, if I have to add 9 with 8, we get how much? 17, right? Okay, if I have to do 9 times 8, I'm going to get 72. 9 divided by 3 is 3, of course. Or if I did something that is not defined or not allowed, it's going to give me an error. All right? Okay. So let's quit out of it here and go towards the other features. And of course, subtraction sign will do the same thing. If you wanted log of 8, it will give you the value of log of 8. Say we wanted natural log of the same quantity, it will be different. Okay, that's that value equals this. If we want to find the reciprocal for a number, just do that. Okay. If I want to say add fractions, say for instance 3 over 8 plus let's take another number, say 5 over 6. All right. So it gives me a decimal approximation, and say I wanted the answer as a fraction. All I have to do is go to math, and here is fraction. So it would change the answer to a fraction, which is 29 over 24, which would have been if I had if I had performed the addition according to the routine lowest common denominator procedure to get power on a number. Say for instance I want to obtain 6 to the power say 3. Here we go. This is the key that gives us the power of a number. So that's going to be say 216. If I wanted e to the power say 6, we get that. Now for the graphing features, if I want to have a basic graph, say for instance I am entering 2x plus 1, okay, then I just press on graph, and here is a graph of 2x plus 1. And what it does is that unless you have changed the window, this is a typical window here. So if the graph fits in this window, then it will show you the graph. Sometimes the graph may not fit in there. For instance, say I took 8x plus say 50. And that window will not be enough, because even or maybe barely enough. Or let me just do this here, go a little more that way. Now you can see I don't see any graph, right? The reason is that I am not giving it enough window, right? Okay, so what we can do here is this, that I can go to this zoom feature, okay, and there are many options. One of the basic ones will be to go for zoom fit, and often if you say zoom fit, then it gives you a view of the graph. You can press on the window and then see how did this adjust the window to get you view of a portion of the graph. Okay, And well, a better approach generally is this, which we'll go over later in the course, to get a table of values, to create a window to look at these things, and then later on when we do the regression features or other aspects of statistics, which will be in the statistics course, not in algebra course, and matrices, it has many more features than we are even going to use in this college algebra course. But I just wanted to show this keyboard and its features to those of you who have never used it before. So let me know if you have any difficulties still. I shall try to address that. All right. Thank you.